There is 95,354 videos on YouTube about how to make a bottom, but I think I wanted to make mine, so yeah. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. I just want to spend 20 seconds to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my Facebook group and my Instagram. You guys are awesome. Thank you, honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and support. It means a lot, it really does. So today I want to play with this new toy that came for Christmas. It was on my wish list for a very long time because it's not extremely cheap. So Santa, lovely Santa, bought me this year with lots of different presents. So I was like, yes, I really wanted it, and I didn't have any eyelet setter, no one, like nothing. So it was on my wish list, and then yeah, he appeared on my Christmas day with my boxes. I was really pleased with that, and I thought, what can we do with this? Of course, it's an eyelet setter. It's from We Are Memory Keepers, and I love this brand. I've got all my like cutting boards and all of that from We Are Memory Keepers. I think it's a really good brand. So we thought, I'm going to, bear with me, we're going to make some buttons today, and also some I don't know how they call it's that little bottom closure that you put on the envelope, and then you put the string around, and then you put the brad in between. You know exactly what I'm talking about. We're gonna make some, and I'll show you what I mean. So I went ahead and I've got here my 1 inch punch. This is from Stampin' Up. I've got a different one with a scallop, but I think to kind of be like, to look like I wanted to look like a bottom, so we're going to use just a simple one. So that's there. And also what I wanted to do, guys, I want to show, of course you can make buttons out of everything, but I had to play with my embossing folder and create different textures. So I've got this one here. Then I've got some simply, this is a rice paper, so I'm going to make some with that. This is a paper I made, it's a coffee stain paper, and then this is a lace stamp. Oops, it's gone. I stamped on top of that with some grey ink and create this quite cute lace effect. I got these. It's literally, guys, it's the way to use up your scraps, because we all have lots of scraps and we all hoard lots of different types of paper. So on here I got those two, which I thought we're going to put some gold wax to enhance the texture. Then I've got this one here on the white paper. Again, we're going to put some gold. This one. So I literally used a lot of texture from my embossing folders. And I was really surprised how many I own, to be fair. Now, I'm not sure then I like this situation down here, but I do like the top, so I might gonna punch maybe a few on the top. It's from Gemini. You've got like an old vintage writing and then the flowers on the bottom. So yeah, this is another texture with a square, which is literally identical to this one, but I've got it in green as well. This is literally, guys, just a page from a paper pad. I've got this one here. How wonderful is that? And again, guys, you can put any wax, any colors, any ink. You can make any different colors. So I might use some of these on here. Just want to see what it looks like. And I'm going to use some black. I love these. I'm going to use some black ink on that. So that's actually the top. Then I've got some Baroque. So I did this in vellums as well. If you can see the vellum, because I want some transparent bottoms as well. So gonna make some with that. And then I've got this lovely one. This is a little one. I can't remember where that's from, but it gets a really wonderful texture. It looks like a turtle, like a bricks, but also like a turtle thing. And I love the paper. And last but not least, another Baroque there. So what we simply do, guys, I mean you can go on and on until like literally it's so addictive. You can make 95 millions of those. You simply punch them. And then now let me check, because this big boy here, it's got two different holes. So one that is quite thin. Now, one thing I need to understand, oh yeah, so you see, so you get this one, the bigger one, which is on this side, which I guess is the 3/17, and then a small one, which is this one there. Can you see it? Can you see the hole? And that is the 1/8. So I'm going to use the 1/8. So that's that. And then what you do, guys, you simply position, I suppose. Now the challenge with that is that I'm not going to see when I want them. So I think, oops, I think we might have to mark them, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to see. But then I don't know if I'll be able to see from here either. Where is it? There. Am I? Oh, right. What Antonio didn't see, there is this hole here on top, which it allows you to see your hole. Oh well, it's the first time I'm using it, so. And then I think it needs to be pushed out there. And then, yeah, you see there is a hole there. There. And that's your button. So then what we're going to do, going to get a lovely wax. And I think practice will make it perfect, because you can see they're not extremely, they're not symmetrical, if it makes sense. Oh, it's way too much. Focus on the bottom, not on my hand. Yeah, oh, come on, you can do this, camera. Right. Right, it's, oh, yes. Yes, it's focusing. Can you see it? I think it's wonderful. What I might do, actually, am I going to put some more in there? So that's the bottom. And then what I'm going to do, I need some baby wipe. Where did I put them? Sorry about the whistling. Okay. So what I wanted to, yeah, so what I wanted to do, I'm going to put a hole in the middle. I'm going to put this out. I didn't realise there was a thing in there. What a clever thing. Okay, so put a hole in the middle. I think that's going to be the back. And then get my more gold wax on my finger. In fact, I think everything will make sense if I zoom in. So that, and then where is my box? Where is the box with the brads? There. What color? Should we go with this blue? And then you put the brad. Yeah, how cute is that? And then what you do, you just put it on your envelope like that. Just press it flat. Yeah. and then you just thread it across. So now that you get the gist, I mean, it's not rock science. There is 95,354 videos on YouTube about how to make a button, but I think I wanted to make mine. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play with this and I come back in and I show them all nice and done. Okay guys, let me show you all the little cute, super cute buttons. Right, let me show you the fails first. Yeah, the one with the vellum, unfortunately, because of, I think I went a bit too heavy with the embossing folder, they just broke. See, they just tear into pieces where the embossing folder went, so they unfortunately going into the bin. But I think I will try again, maybe go a bit less harder, because I think I was doing it twice, so I was put it in and then come back like twice. And same happened with this texture here. As you can see, they're very, very fragile, so they literally tear very, very easily. So yeah, they're not good, but those are super good, which I am absolutely love them. So this one here and this one here is the same embossing folder, one into craft paper, one into, as you can see, I show you, it was a piece of scrap purple paper, and then I simply punched when the motif was, and then gone over with the gold wax. Absolutely love them. Then we have this one and this one, which is my two favorite ones. So this looks like a leaf, and the gold just finished them off. I hope you can see they in real life they sparkle a lot. But yeah, so those two. Then we have this one and this one. This is really thin paper, so I'm hoping that it's gonna last. This one is another geometric motif, really pretty. Then we have this very simple, this one not done anything, I just simply cut it and left it. This one I just put some gold. Then we have another one with the craft paper, and this one with the vintage writing on it. So it gives that little, it looks like what's the word I'm missing? I can't, it looks like do you know when you do you put plaster on the wall, before you put the plaster it is all like messy, so like that. And then this is another baroque motif, really, really like it. Then we have the one with the butterflies, another one, that one, and that one. Again, I left those two very simple, I just put some gold, and those two is exactly the same embossing folder, one with green paper, one with yellow paper. And then I made this closure here, which are for my, when I'm gonna do some envelopes, I'll use them as a closure. I think I need to put one more, I need to make one more of that, because you need a pair. So right guys, that is it. They are extremely addictive to make. Once you start, it's really hard to finish. As you can see, I just use up all my scraps. Fairly easy, just put some holes and you decorate it as you want. I needed to make some, finally had the time to do it. They're gonna go in this lovely box that Woolly Steph, my YouTube sister, sent me a Christmas present, so they're all gone in there, so safe. Right guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the channel, and I will see you very soon. And until then guys, stay safe and well.